till time found its place. Your eyes held light like morning's glow, a warmth so pure I had to know. Yeah.
I thought the sun was born in you, with golden rays that softly grew,
and the moon and stars above the sky felt like your gift to light my life. That
moment breathed a love so rare, as if the heavens placed you there. Yeah, yeah. The first time ever I kissed your lips, my heart surrendered to your fingertips. The earth beneath me seemed to sway, like trembling winds that fade away. I held you close, your breath so sweet, and felt the world fall at my feet. Oh, the first time ever I lay with you, my heart knew love so deep and true. Your heartbeat danced in perfect time, as if your soul had merged with mine. That night the universe stood still, and whispered dreams we long to fill. Oh, the first time ever I kissed your face, I found my home in your embrace. No storm could shake what love had grown, for in your arms I found my own. You turned my world from gray to gold, a love so bright, a flame so bold. And now I know the fate was wise. I saw forever in your eyes. The first time ever I held your hand, I knew my heart had found its land. Our love will shine through endless skies, a flame that never fades or dies. The first time ever I saw your face, I knew my life had found its place here. Yeah, my only love. The first time ever I saw your face, since that day I felt the best.